In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a playlist on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off go to youtube.com, and after you are logged in, click right here at your profile picture and then click at YouTube Studio. After that, click at that button where it says create and then select new playlist. On that step we can enter the title for our playlist. After that we can also enter description, and that's where we can also change visibility. We can set it to public, private or unlisted. Once we've done with that, we can just click at create. After that we can go to content, then playlists, and that's where we can find the playlist we have just created. After that we can click at these three dots and get a link to that playlist. We can edit it on YouTube just like that. We can change public to unlisted or private. Also we can change the title, description, and after that, to save the changes, just don't forget to click at save. That's how you can easily make playlist on YouTube.